Thanks to the teams like BIONIC, students in schools have the power to make a difference. Now, BIONIC means believe it or not, I care. And through this school club, students are building relationships in a big way. And here to tell us all about BIONIC and what they have planned is Executive Director Sandy Austin and International Student 99 Coordinator Amy Sanchez. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you, Jackie. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, you're welcome. Sandy, what is BIONIC? We mentioned the acronym, but tell us more.
Yes, we're trying to empower people to say, believe it or not, I care with their lives. We know with what's going on in society today, there are some very difficult things happening in everyone's life. And so we're trying to help people to say, just look at the people around you and look and see, be aware of what's going on. So in the schools, we have these clubs where we're empowering kids, help them to learn basic ways to care about each other and look out for each other and see what's going on instead of getting our eyes off our phones and looking around at the people around us and the issues around us.
I love that acronym BIONIC and what a great platform that you've started.
Yes.
This was 15 years ago you started it.
Yes.
Why?
Very difficult situation. I was a school counselor at Green Mountain High School, my alma mater, and we had 4 suicides within 8 months.
Yes.
And so it was very difficult. And we were, as I talked to the students and the families of the young men who had taken their lives, found out what they had gone through, and I thought we've got to empower kids to reach out to these kids going through those same type of things so that we can hopefully prevent mental health issues from spiraling down into more serious issues like suicide ideation or even school shootings.
Yeah. Important lessons to learn from all of these things that we go through in life, and great that you've started this organization. Amy, how do schools incorporate BIONIC?
So there's a bunch of different teams that a school can incorporate. So one of them, there's a couple of them. The one I could talk about is a new student team where there's new students who welcome into our school. The lost team, so if someone's lost a loved one, we'll give them a mug to, appreciate that, know they're in need. That's both students and staff. The extended illness team will make a care package for that student. We have the school tragedy poster signing. So it's a 25-foot poster where we all sign it at our school to send to that school that's experienced a tragedy. We have the intergenerational team where we kind of connect between generations, and then the last one is 99 I Care Day.
Oh, really so much going on. You mentioned the 99 I Care Day, which is happening next Monday, September 9th. Tell us about that.
So what we do is we encourage everyone to do 9 things that day to make a difference in 9 people's lives, 1 person each hour for 9 hours. And so our hope is that every single kid at school will be reached out to at least 3 times that day. Because if there are any kids that are feeling isolated, no one cares, they don't matter, hopefully they will be reached out to by someone to say, we care about you and we see you and we're here for you. And so those types of things, just to let them know we care.
Yeah, and I love it's on 9/9, it's 9 people, 9 things, 9 hours. It all makes sense.
Yes.
All right, what kind of individual outreach do you encourage?
So something as basic as calling your grandma and telling her you love her.
Okay.
Buying coffee for the person behind you in the coffee line. Saying thank you to a teacher. And for the adults out there, saying thank you to your secretaries. Thank you to the different people in your lives. In the morning, when the kids get up, put a little Hershey's Kiss on the parents' pillow so that they can see that when they come in. At school during the day, at the beginning of the day, we encourage all schools to be giving Hershey's Kisses or chocolate kisses or candy to students as they're coming into the school, and staff members to say, happy 99 I Care Day, we care about you guys.
I think that's wonderful. Sometimes just a smile, a thank you, and holding a door can make all the difference.
Definitely.
All right, let's talk about the rally.
Yes, so the rally at 4:30 on Monday at Red Rocks Community College. From 4:30 to 6:30, we're going to have a rally. That's where we're encouraging everyone to come together that has made a difference that day, that we're working in their schools or businesses, wherever. And what we'll do is we'll have speakers there saying, keep it up, you're doing great, you're making this world a better place. And then, so we'll have some rah-rah things, and then the schools that have a chance to talk about the difference they made at their schools that day. And then the last part of it, we're going to have some outreaches, community service projects for the homeless and for Children's Hospital.
Wonderful, wonderful. What about donations, Amy?
So for donations, if you're coming to the rally, if you want to donate stuff, we recommend bringing stuff for the homeless or for Children's Hospital. But if you aren't able to come to the rally, what you can do instead is sponsor a BIONIC team for 99 I Care Day. So it's $25, and it would sponsor that team's activities all throughout that day, and it would really mean a lot to these schools because we really want to make a change in this world, and that could be one way you could impact it.
We do want to make a change in this world, don't we? And it can start right here. What about adults? Adults can get involved as well.
Yes, definitely. So if they want to help provide an opportunity for schools to be able to do all these outreaches during the day, they can go on the website too and order a 99 Eye Care Day kit for the schools, and those are $99. Go ahead and do the donation. We have about 40 schools that are wanting to do this, but they can't afford the kit, so we need people to help sponsor those so we can empower those schools to be able to reach out to the kids that day.
Love it. Such a great idea, and thank you so much for sharing today.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. We'll participate in Eye Care Day to make a difference in 9 people's lives on September 9th. Bionics still needs sponsors to purchase Eye Care Day school kits to allow schools and students to plan their Eye Care Day activities. To sign up for Eye Care Day or to become a sponsor, visit bionicteam.org/9-9.